Tell me this, Jen. Now that you've had 100,000 subscribers on your channel, and that happened in Jan 2020, this year, at what point in the growth of your channel you started envisioning the 100K subscribers, that, the silver plan coming from YouTube? At what point you started eyeing that and started getting excited about getting that?
So always in the back of my mind, I had always thought, wow, wouldn't it be cool to get that silver play button? I'm sure all YouTubers think of it at one point or another, but at the beginning when I thought of it, I kind of thought that it was impossible. I went on that and it told me, like, using their algorithms, how long it would take me to hit 100,000, and it said like many, many years, like at least 8 years. And that, if my original goal was just to make videos for that silver play button, I would have stopped right there, because with that algorithm, it was saying it would have taken me a decade to get it. But what really inspired me was just making the videos. So, like, once I started getting 20,000, 30,000, I realized that the algorithm, it doesn't work like that. It's kind of like a curve. So you don't just always get 10 subscribers every month. You get 10 and then 100 and then 1,000, and it just keeps on growing.